Hello, my dear and lovable students. How are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Ibrahim Khalil, Senior English Teacher, Aisha Bright Future School and College. You all know that the COVID-19 pandemic is increasing day by day, so that all educational institutions are closed now. For that reason, Aisha Bright Future School and College has arranged live video class. So, I am here to take a live video class. This class is for class 9 and 10, subject English second paper. Our today's topic is about tag question. My dear students, you all know that tag question is an important grammatical part in your English second paper subject. So, dear students, take your pen, take your notebook or khata and ready for the class. Are you ready? I hope, yes, you are ready. Now, let's go for class. Tag question. At first, you have to know which is tag question. Tag question is a short question. There are some basic rules for tag question. I write down on board. Number 1, if the sentence is in affirmative form, the tag will be negative. Number 2, if the sentence is in negative form, the tag will be affirmative. And all the time, subject form will be in pronoun form. Have you written down these basic rules for tag questions? Okay. Now I would like to give some example. Example number 1. I am a student. Dear student, look. Here I write down a sentence that is I am a student. Look at the sentence very carefully and try to identify, is it affirmative or negative? Yes, it is an affirmative sentence. So, the tag will be negative here. Okay. I am a student. Here subject is I and auxiliary verb is am. You have to use auxiliary verb at first. So, the negative form of am not is aren't, and here subject is I, so aren't I. This is the tag question of this sentence. Okay, I will go for another example. The second example is you are not a good student. Here the sentence is in negative form. You can see that here not is present and not is the negative word. So the total sentence is negative. So our tag will be positive here. You are not a good student. The tag will be are you. So the tag question of this sentence is you are not a good student. Are you? Okay, I will go for third example here. I have done my duty. So dear student, look at this sentence. The sentence is I have done my duty. The sentence is here affirmative form. So the tag will be negative here. Here the auxiliary verb is have, so at first you have to write have. So dear students, I have done my duty, haven't I? Understand? I will go for another example for better understand for you. Number 4. The example is here, birds can fly. Birds can fly. It is also an affirmative sentence, so our tag will be negative here. Birds can fly. Here can is auxiliary verb, so at first you have to write can. Though this sentence is affirmative, so tag will be negative, so we have to add can't. Birds. Here birds is a plural subject. So the pronoun of bird is they. So birds can fly. The tag question of the sentence is can't they? Example number 5. Every mother loves her child. The example I have write down on board is every mother loves her child. Look at the sentence. Every mother loves her child. It is also an affirmative sentence, so the tag will be negative here. Every mother loves her child. Look at this verb. Dear students, here verb is loves. There are no am, no is, no are, no have, no has. So you have to add there do or did or does. Look at this. Do, did, does. Again look at this verb. Here you have to use not for negative. Doesn't. Every mother will be changed in its pronoun from they. So every mother loves her child. The tag is doesn't they. Sorry, here will be do. Don't they. Because when the pronoun will change into they, the verb will be changed into do. So here will be don't they. I want to give you one more example, my dear students. Example number 6. My father is an honest man. Look at this sentence. My father is an honest man. This sentence is also affirmative, so the tag will be negative here. Okay, my dear students, write down with me on your notebook. Understand? My father is an honest man. Here you can see that is. It is an auxiliary verb, so we have to use is. Though the sentence is in affirmative, so the tag will be negative. Isn't. My father, here will be he. The pronoun of my father is he. So, my father is an honest man, isn't he? Okay, my dear students, I think you understand all the rules of tag questions, all the examples of tag questions. Now I would like to give you some homeworks. Take your pen, take your notebook and write down the homeworks. Number 1. I want to get GPA 5 in my exam. Number 2. Fishes can't swim. Number 3. My father is a housewife. Number 5. Cricket is an exciting game. Sorry, here number 4 and number 5. Everybody loves to eat. So, my dear students, write down these 5 homework on your note khata. You will making tag question of these 5 in your home, and I think you will understand today's lecture. That's all for today. I will come back for you again. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.